Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.5% against the yen. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.4% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.7% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.5% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices edged down, extending the previous day's losses as concerns over disruption to Libyan oil loadings eased. Fears of weaker demand linked to soft economic data from China and rising temperatures elsewhere also pressured prices. The US dollar strengthened against the yen amid fresh tariff threats from the Trump administration and as concerns over the emergence of a low-cost Chinese artificial intelligence model faded. Trump said he planned to impose tariffs on imported computer chips, pharmaceuticals, and steel. US President Donald Trump's executive order on the country's leadership in digital financial technology has escalated the European Union's concerns around US dollar dominance in the stablecoin market. At the time of writing, dollar-backed stablecoins account for 97% of the global stablecoin market.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 12 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 15:30 GMT. Italy's consumer confidence at 9 GMT. Australia's consumer price index will be released at 0:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Italy's business confidence at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.